Technology devices are making their way into lots of new and challenging spaces. When your design project needs to survive dust, water, or rough conditions, the right light pipe can make all the difference. At BIVAR, light pipes don't just communicate critical information, they offer protection. Whether you're building something for indoors or the great outdoors, we've got you covered. Here's how they work. Press Fit Halo. This is your go-to for quick installs. Just push it into place. Voila! One-piece solution. The GLP for IP54 and UHF for IP67 make it easy to get reliable protection with minimal effort. Splash Guard. Add a sealing gasket to your light pipe and you've got IP54 defense against dust and splashes. This style includes series like PLW5, PLP5, SZ, and more. Threaded retention. Need something tougher? Combine the splash guard with a washer and nut for a secure IP67 rated fit, ideal for industrial environments. This style includes series like PLTR, RHD, SMFLP, and more. Capped seal. For the highest level of protection, pair a splash guard protected SGLC lens cap with any of our light pipes for IP68 protection for harsh and high moisture conditions. From factory floors to all types of outdoor environments, BIVAR's light pipes are built to last. Are you ready to pick the perfect light pipe for your project? Hit the link in the description and check them out today.